Breaking news. Kwankwaso Defects to ADC in major political earthquake ahead of 2027 election. In a major political development that is already sending shockwave across Nigerian political landscape, former governor of Kano State and prominent northern political figure Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso has officially defected to the African Democratic Congress ADC. The announcement, which was made earlier today by a party official and confirmed by close associate of the former governor, marked one of the most significant political realignment in Nigeria in recent times. The defection of Kwankwaso, a former presidential candidate and leader of the Kwankwasia political movement, is expected to reshape political calculations, particularly in the northern Nigeria, where he commands a massive grassroots following. Political observers say the move could significantly strengthen ADC ahead of the 2027 general election, positioning the party as a major force in Nigerian opposition politics. According to sources within the ADC leadership, discussion with Kwankwaso had been ongoing for several months before the final decision was reached. Party leaders describe his entry into the party as a game changer and a new beginning for a stronger opposition coalition in Nigeria. Kwankwaso, who previously served as governor of Kano State, Minister of Defense, and senator representing Kano Central, is widely regarded as one of the most influential politicians in northern Nigeria. His political structure, known as the Kwankwasia movement, has remained one of the most organized grassroots political network in the country. In his defection statement, Kwankwaso reportedly said his defection was based on the need to rebuild a stronger political platform that will prioritize good governance, economic development, youth empowerment, and national unity. He stated that Nigeria needs a credible alternative political movement that can challenge the existing political order and deliver better governance. To Nigerian political analysts believe that Kwankwaso move may trigger a wave of defection, especially from his loyal supporters across Kano, Jigawa, Kaduna, Katsina, and other northern states. Many of his supporters are expected to follow him into the ADC in the coming weeks, which could significantly boost the party membership and political structure nationwide. This development is also expected to affect the political balance in Kano State, one of Nigeria's most politically significant states due to its large voting population. Kwankwaso remains one of the most influential political figures in Kano politics, and his political decisions often determine the direction of election in the state. Reactions have already started pouring in from political stakeholders across the country. Some opposition politicians have welcomed the move, describing it as a step towards building a stronger opposition coalition ahead of future elections. Others, however, say the move could further fragment opposition politics if not properly managed. Within the ADC, party leaders have expressed optimism that Kwankwaso's entry will position the party as a major national political platform. They noted that the party is currently undergoing restructuring and expansion across all states in Nigeria. An addition of political heavyweight like Kwankwaso will accelerate the national spread. Political commentators say the defection may also lead to new political alliances and coalitions, especially among politicians who are dissatisfied with the major political parties in Nigeria. There are already speculations that several former governors, senators, and members of the reps may also be considering joining ADC in the forthcoming months. The development comes at a time when political realignment are gradually beginning ahead of the 2027 general election. Analysts believe the next election cycle may witness one of the biggest political coalitions in Nigerian history as politicians reposition themselves and form new alliances. For Kwankwaso, this move is seen as strategic and calculated, As he continues to position himself as a major national political figure with influence beyond northern Nigeria, his supporters believe the ADC platform will give him a broader political position and a stronger coalition base ahead of future election. And the news continue to spread. Political stakeholders across Nigeria are watching closely to see how this faction will reshape political alliances, party structure, and electoral strategies in the coming months. One thing, however, is certain: the defection of Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso to the ADC has officially changed the political conversation in Nigeria, and the effect of the move will likely be felt across the country's political landscape for a long time. More reaction and political development are expected coming in days, and party leaders, supporters, and political analysts continue to assess the implication of this major political shift, says Tatafo of Africa. Thank you.